For today's video, I'll be copying the diet and workout routine of a Victoria's Secret model. I decided to pick Kendall Jenner because she is a well-known model. If you want to find new healthy recipes, a great workout routine, and see how I enjoy living like Kendall, keep watching the video.
Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away.
What's up everyone, it's your girl Deja and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be copying the diet of Kendall Jenner, and along with that, I'll be doing her workout routine. So you guys want to see that, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. We are on the road to 2K subscribers and we are so close, y'all. So make sure you hit that sub button. And also I want to say that everyone is beautiful. Just because Kendall has, you know, a certain type of body doesn't mean you have to have one as well. Everyone is beautiful in their own way. It's just about being healthy and working out and trying to eat the right type of foods. But we are going to start off this video first by going grocery shopping. I am back from grocery shopping and I want to start off the video by saying first, like, who is Kendall Jenner, because everyone may not know who she is. And of course, she is a model. She's all over Instagram and she's been on the Victoria's Secret runway as well. And she's also a reality TV star. So she's on Keeping Up with the Kardashians, and you know, her whole family, the Kardashian Jenner family, is just famous. So that's basically who Kendall Jenner is. But we are going to start off by doing Kendall's breakfast. So it says right here that Kendall likes to start off the day by eating some oatmeal and some eggs with avocado. I don't like avocado, so I'm not going to do the eggs and the avocado, but I will do the oatmeal. So we're going to go get that ready. I just finished my breakfast, and as you can see, I pulled back my hair because it is time to work out. So I found Kendall's workout routine online, and it's her at-home ab workout routine. It takes about 11 minutes, and I'll put it right here. But she swears by this routine. It's not too much of cardio because she doesn't really care for that, but it's a lot of like planks and things that are on the ground. But I'm excited to do it. And I also found a YouTube video, so I'm going to be following that YouTube video. But without further ado, let's get to working out.
So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, boy. Don't let that get away. Don't let that slip away. Don't let that love slip away. Don't let that get away.
So you guys, I just finished the workout and I am sweating. Like, the workout was great. Like, I definitely felt the burn in my abs. It actually was pretty quick, but there was definitely some challenging parts in there, and I was like, oh my gosh, can I do it? Like, can I do it? And it was nice to like actually do some exercises I've never done before. So I give the workout a thumbs up. I think you guys should try it at home and see how you like it, but it's definitely a great ab workout. Like I said, I'm definitely gonna have to take another shower after all of this, and I will come back to you guys. So I'm out of the shower. I feel refreshed and so clean after that workout, but now it is time to cook lunch. It is 3:36, so I am starving, and especially after that workout, I need to eat. And it says that Kendall likes to eat lean chicken with veggies and brown rice, so that's what I'm cooking. When I went to the store, I got some skinless chicken breasts and I got some green beans and some brown rice. My brown rice has a little bit of something in it because I need a little bit of flavor to my meal, but that's where we're about to go cook now. So I finished my lunch and I already tried it. It tastes amazing. all I did was I just added some seasonings to my chicken and to the green beans, like lemon pepper, regular pepper, salt, garlic, and that pretty much just did it. You want to make sure you add seasoning to it because it will taste nasty if you don't. But I'm going to enjoy my lunch and come back to you guys. All right, you guys, it is now time to have a snack. Kendall said that she likes to eat raw veggies with hummus, so I got some lovely carrots with hummus. We're going to give it a try. I don't like it. I don't like it. And maybe the type of hummus I got, I don't know, but carrots with hummus, I don't really care for it. I usually like mine with ranch. I know that's not as healthy, but that's what I like. But I am super excited for dinner because Kendall said that she likes to eat Margarita pizza. I've never had a Margarita pizza before, but it looks pretty good and it looks healthier than some other pizzas that I've had. So I'm super excited to make it. And if you guys want to see the clip, stay tuned. So I'm all set up to make the pizza. I want to show you guys what I got. I got some pizza sauce, basil, salt and pepper, mozzarella cheese, garlic, a tomato, and my pizza crust. For the recipe, you can find it in the description box below because I found a video on YouTube. I'm not doing it 100% the same, but it's pretty similar. The only thing that's different is the sauce, and I'm not making my own pizza dough. All right, you guys, the pizza was amazing, and it is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had fun doing this challenge. I will definitely implement some of these recipes and workouts because it definitely did make a difference. I feel better. I feel like I have more energy, and the food was actually pretty good. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.